Hello. Uh, Welcome to. Are we live? Okay. Um, so today I want to talk a little bit about linear regression. According to what I know, that is strictly on based on my understanding. What I understand linear regression is like. Let's start from beginning. What linear word means? Linear means in a straight path, right? The in mathematical term we can represent the line linear line with an equation that's y equals to mx plus c. In y equals to mx plus c we get x, like the independent and independent variables are x is an independent variable. That means the value, like other x values do not affect it, or like it won't be affected by other values. And dependent means that it is kind of affected by other values. uh, what I'm trying to say is, mm, x is what you feed into the system and y is what you get. So you don't have any control over y particularly, but you can change x like however you want. And c is basically constant, you don't need to care about that. And the word, like the letter m, represents the rate of change of y over x. That means basically slope. While you differentiate that linear equation y equals to mx plus c, you get m equals to dy by dx, which kind of translates to, like, if you're modeling a single data, like a data set, and you want to fit a linear line to it, that is linear regression kind of. What you'll be doing is you'll have a single m value, that is a single slope, which will kind of let you know what the direction of the line would be. For example, if your the slope is 1, then it means that, for example, let's take this as a graph. So slope basically tells us that the rate of change of y based on x. So if while increasing x by 1, right, you get y as also 1 or something. No. If you increase x by something, like okay, let's start again. I'm getting a little confused in the head. Okay, while you, I need to I need to think before I speak on this topic. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So dy by dx equals to, let's say it's 1. Then it means that dy equals to dx. That means, suppose you had your x as 2 and you got y as 4, right? And if the change is equal, that means if you increase x by 2, that means 4, your y also will increase by 2, that means it will become 6. And that's how it goes. Like the spacing is equal, and so it will make a straight line on the x and maybe on the first and third quadrant somewhere over there. So that's basically how it works. And in linear regression, okay,